And welcome to High Value Couponers. And today we're here with a crazy hot 4-day sale for Kroger this week. There are some really amazing deals going on at Kroger right now. Now keep in mind, it's a 4-day sale this time, Friday through Monday. But keep in mind, this is not it at Kroger this week. We have a huge buy 5, save 5 mega event. Sorry, I just dropped my phone. A buy 5, save 5 mega event going on right now. I did 2 videos yesterday. I did a participating items video as well as I did just a matchups video. So that's always something to look forward to, and I hope you guys watch. So, let's dive right in. So we got the Rubbermaid Totes, $7.99. I don't know if that's the best deal ever, but it's not a bad one. Cooked Perfect Meatballs, $3.49 with digital coupon. I promise the deals are going to spice up and get better. Pretzel Crisps are $1.99 each. Okay, DiGiorno's. This is the best deal of them all. They are $2.99 with a digital coupon. Now, like I've explained before, you can stack a 5 times digital with a manufacturer coupon because the 5 times coupons are a store coupon. I've literally talked about this with corporate and got this cleared by them. So, yes, this is permitted. I know that I'm going to get people who say, my store said no or something. But I talked to corporate and I can't get any higher up than that. So that's what I did. So anyways, these are $2.99 digital. Use the $1.50 off coupon from the 12/8 retail me not. And there is a Catalina, so that makes them $1.49. But Ryan DM'd me this morning. He bought 3 of them, and it printed him out $1.50 Catalina, which is insane. So with that Catalina, essentially you're going to get these for 99 cents a pizza. You heard that right. 99 cents for a pizza. That's like an unbelievable deal. So you're not going to want to pass that deal up by any means. Awesome. Okay, thank you to Zugu Mugu for this. The Always Discreet are $2.49. Now we're getting a $2 coupon in Sunday's P&G insert. However, we got a coupon from a previous insert, and I'm sorry, I do not remember the date, but we got a $5 off 2 coupon in an insert. It expires on 12/28. So utilizing that coupon, you would get this for literally free, is what this would work out to be. So that's an awesome deal. Go knock that one out. You cannot beat that. That's an awesome deal. Free pads or liners. Okay, the kettle chips are $1.99 with the digital coupons. That's not too shabby. What else do we got? Okay, the Lay's chips. These are a pretty good deal. $1.99. If you buy 3 of them, that comes to $5.97. And keep in mind, those are all with the 5X digitals. Fetch Rewards has a deal to get $1.50 back. So essentially, you're going to get these $4.47 for 3 bags. And these are the family size bags of chips. So getting it for that kind of deal is an awesome deal. Kroger Bacon is $2.99 with that digital coupon. So that's pretty good. That's all for the 4-day sale. I just want to address something because the comments are just not stopping for this. I had someone tell me like no one's being mean to you. But I'm just going to explain real quick. So by popular request, I started doing the majority of my Kroger videos in store. However, lately I've been receiving quite a few comments. I'm too fast. And some of them have been really rude. I've been cussed at. I've just not been talked to with respect. So I know someone was like, I don't think people are actually being mean to you, but they are. I wouldn't just say they're being mean if they weren't. I'm not over dramatic. So, yeah, so people actually have been like, I've gotten this comment before in very polite ways, just saying, hey, could you maybe slow down a little bit? And I totally understand that. And I appreciate kind comments and suggestions. Like, that's fine if you're nice about it, but I'm not going to get cussed at and all that. Just like be okay with it. So anyways, this has been a problem so much more lately. I have been getting, this is the 4th time this week I've gotten a comment that I'm too fast. So, yeah, and it's particularly on the in-store videos. So being in-store, I do not have long periods of time to stand in front of the shelves. We only have one Kroger store within 30 miles. So our store is all the time busy. Like, it's never not busy. And, like, people want to get to the shelves. So I can't stand there for, forever filming. I'm honestly not sure how long you guys want me to be filming. The ones who say I'm too fast, I'm not sure really how much slower you want me to be, but besides that. So it's always busy and people want to the shelves. yesterday, I can't even tell you guys how many, like, I had to stand there and wait for a good period of time to even get to the shelf because people were shopping, and that's what the point of the store is. I don't have a problem doing it, but I'm just explaining why, why I'm addressing this. So, to those who say I talk too fast, there's always the printable breakdown or a slide breakdown like this video available on YouTube, and YouTube also has the slowdown feature. So I'm really sorry. I mean, for those who say I'm talking too fast, I feel bad. Like, I don't want to make it hard for you, but like, I'm not really sure what I can do about it unless you guys don't want me to film in store anymore. I mean, is that, I mean, because like I said, that's the reason it's so fast is when I'm in store, I have to be mindful of other shoppers. So yeah, I just want to address that because like I said, I've gotten some super rude comments. And I did consciously yesterday try to work on it. And I know somebody did say that. They said he is noticeably slower in this video. And so like I said, I'm trying, but there's only so much I can do when the store's super busy and all that. So I just want to address that. And remind everybody there's the printable breakdown or a slide breakdown like this, or YouTube has that slowdown feature, which is like you can slow it down by a good portion so you can hear it better. So yeah, so that's all I have for now. I hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you so much for watching.